Hello viewers, in this video I am discussing about encode and decode techniques in Power Automate. Means what are the encode decode techniques we can use in Power Automate. I have found three. If you found more than three or you can use any others then what I am showing in this video, you can comment in the below. Let's go to the video. Go to our CRM. Here I have found three techniques to use in the encode decode techniques in Power Automate. One is base 64. On encode URI and HTML decode. I will show you these three methods how to do encode decode techniques in Power Automate. I will go with base 64. Open solution and go to code flows and create new automation, code flow and instant flow, and select manual trigger. Here I will give encode and decode base 64. Create. Here I am getting a test, so for this I will initialize a variable, and one I have totally initialized three variables, one for message, one for encode test, one for decode test. Let's start the Power Automate. Click on new step, variable, initialize variable. I'm giving my message variable name is message and type is string, and value is I'm giving as please subscribe. Don't forget, please subscribe. And new step, here I will rename this as message. I'm installing two more, one for encode and one for decode. Slash variable encode value, encode message string. I'm giving this as blank, name encode value. Now I'm creating one more for decoded test. Inside variable decode message. String and default value to give blank decode value. Okay. Now we need to get message and we need to do encode using base 64, and after that we need to decode. Now I am using compose, data operation compose, rename to compose encode value. Here we need to get message, so simply type message here. This is a message, just copy this and remove this, and we need to do encode. So go to expressions and type here base 64 and paste the value message we copied, right? So remove this two from here, remove this one, and okay. Here you will get the encoded value of message, means please subscribe will be encoded here. After that we need to go for the variable to set the value. Set variable for encode message. Here we need to get output of this compose encode value. Just type output, you can see compose encode value. Here you will get that encoded value. Next, I am going for one more compose. Here we are composing decoded value. So here we are decoding the encoded message. So we need to decode this one. We need to get the actual message, that is nothing but please subscribe. So on this one we can rename to set variable encode message, and here we are composing decode value. Here same you need to get set variable encode message. So check. Here we get the composed encoded value, and we need to just copy this, and we need to do this one decoding. So expression decode base 64, and copy the mesh output of encode value. Okay, now our Power Automate is ready. Let's check, are we doing our encode decode is working or not. Just saving. It was saved. Let's go back and refresh. Yeah, now flow is ready. Just open it. Just click on run flow. It's done. Let's see, our flow is running here and it got succeeded. Let's see. You can see here we are triggered and our message is please subscribe, don't forget. And we are encoded value. These are two variables, so on it, so you can go for encode value. One means what is the encoded value of please subscribe. That is nothing but this is the one output. You can also see here the online. This is the encoded value of please subscribe. So you can see we found the same thing here. UG something. So see same we got here. And we are decoding the encoded value. This is the encoded value. We are decoding means we will get same please subscribe back. You can see encoded message value here. Same we are decoding here. You can see we got the please subscribe. Okay, I forgot to assign to encoded value decode value message variable. Now we will see how to encode decode perform by using encode URI component. Okay, go back. I'm using same Power Automate. I'm just editing it. Just click on edit, and I'm renaming to encode URI. That means nothing but second one. Now everything is same. We need to compose encode value, right? Instead of base 64, just type, just copy it, cut it, and just type encode URI component and paste this, and just remove base 64. Now this one is same. Here also we need to place of decode base 64. Need to put encode decode URI component and paste it. Just remove base 64. output, and here I will set the forgotten step, that is nothing but variable, set variable, that is nothing but decode message, and output of this compose decode. Just type output, will get puts decompose decode value. Okay, this is decoded message variable, decoded message. So in this flow, what we are doing, we are getting message, please subscribe, and we are encoding using encode URI component, and we are setting that one to encode message, and after that we are decoding the value present in the compose encode value. You can see output of compose encoding value, we are decoding it, and we will get, let's see how it was work. Whenever you use the encode your component, just will get some percentile 20 something in between our test. Let's open this and run it, run flow. Then now see it was good, got succeeded. Open it, or message please subscribe, don't forget, and our encoded value is please percentile 20 subscribe. And what is the decoded value? Same, we need to get the, we are getting the same for encode message, and we are decoding the value, we get please subscribe. Can please subscribe. Like this you can use the encode URI. Now we will see HTML test. Now the final one, encode decode using HTML encode. So go to web automate instant. I will give name as encode decode HTML message, and manual trigger create. Here we need to get the compose, you can use first compose, and here we need to give HTML encoded message. I am using some online tool, online. You can see I have given please subscribe, got this value, copy it. I'll give this URL in the description box found. We are composing some HTML, so I will give some HTML composer, compose HTML. Next, go to next step, and here you find and type HTML. We'll get HTML to test, and we need to get the output from compose output, compose HTML. So just type output here. We got the value. Now we need to assign to some variable. So okay, no need of this. We are getting HTML to test means we are converting this HTML to test, so we'll get output in the HTML to test. So no need to worry, just save it. So just go back and open it and click on run. Continue, run flow, done. Now you can see it was running. Refresh, it got succeeded. Now we can see our compose HTML is this is the input, and what we got, we are getting test means nothing but please subscribe. You can see we got the output as please subscribe. So in this way we can perform encode decode techniques in Power Automate for the test. So please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.